Good morning and welcome back to RP&W Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And today we are back in beautiful sunny Central Oregon. Oh my gosh.
It's so nice.
Right now we are at the headwaters of the Metolius River, which comes out of a spring in the ground right over to the right of us.
It's right out of the mountain.
Yeah, it is so beautiful.
Yeah, and the wildlife and...
Beautiful view of Mount
Jefferson? Sure.
Yeah, but today we're exploring some different areas around here. You want to talk a little bit about what we're up to?
Yeah, we're going downriver, I think it says. Yeah, we're upriver, downriver. And checking out some campgrounds. You know, we don't really stay in campgrounds too much, and so we're just going to peruse through them and look at, you know, something maybe for the off-season like we like to do and sometimes. And then connect where we were the last trip, where we were blocked by snow, and check out that whole area. And then after the Metolius area, we're going that way towards the North Sister and explore up there. Lots of camping spots.
Yeah. So we're just out scouting and exploring different areas around here because honestly, we just don't get to do that too often in this area. So we're spending kind of a long weekend here and
explore.
So nice.
Scout, camp. There you go.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right. Well, should we hit the road?
Let's go.
Let's do this.
All right. See ya. Slanted. made a little pit stop at the top. That was fun.
Oh man. I felt so tense from like just like driving like this.
Yeah, made it to the top. We have
the views are amazing.
Right. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. We got a couple roads and some campsites that we're gonna go explore right down the ridgeline here. So
yeah.
Sure.
Let's hop in the car and keep going.
Keep going and exploring. Oh.
Two thumbs up. Huh?
That is it from the Ridgeline Road. Oh.
Whoa.
Found some good camp spots up there.
Yeah, I think we found like 5 altogether.
Something like that.
Yeah. Definitely not for the trailer though.
No. Definitely for the Tacoma.
Truck only. But pretty. Oh my gosh, the views up there. So pretty. So all right, what are we doing next?
There's pavement right there. So we are going to our next area location. Yeah. So let's go.
Let's go.
Epic, dude. I can't believe we made it up here. I wanted to come up here for so long. Finally. Let's check out this view.
Holy crap. What a beautiful view.
Yeah.
You have 4 mountains right there. You got the 3 Sisters, Broken Top. I mean, I just don't know if you can end a video any more epically than this camp spot right here.
Right? We just need our trailer.
Yeah. Can you just make that happen? Like,
but hey, we got up here. We know how to get here.
Yeah.
And everywhere else today was just
oh my gosh,
freaking awesome.
Yeah, it was such a fun day exploring. And like, I know people ask us a lot for the campsites that we camp in, and we generally don't give those out to people. And all you have to do is go on Onyx or go on Google Maps and try to find like places, zoom in and find roads and find places that look like would be with a campfire ring or something like that.
Right there.
And then
campfire ring.
Go out and drive and explore. And
take a day.
You find so much more than what you even thought you were going to go find.
100%. 100%.
It's such a fun adventure day.
Yeah.
I love these.
Let's end it on a good note.
Yes.
You know what that means.
It's time for beers and some food. All right.
Let's go.
Well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
And as we leave the comforts of the paved roads and the 50-foot trailers, we have embarked on a red, liquid hot magma road. Steep and narrow for the next 5 miles. Stay tuned.
Shout out to Lifestyle Overland. We're patrons, and so like every month or so, he always uploads his camping spots
Yeah.
on his Patreon, which is freaking amazing. And this is one of them. And we're gonna go find a couple more that are up there. So
Yeah. So thanks,
pretty
Kevin and family.
Bonus footage. Yes, it's happening.
Oh my gosh. I've waited for this day for like 10 years.
we're at the Crescent Moon Ranch.
Yeah, Alpaca Ranch. He's like, hey, I want more.
How about some more?
Hey, they're
They're little piglets, aren't they?
right. It's so cute. They're so adorable.
Marissa wants to take one home.
I don't know, they're kind of creepy looking.
But you
Up
love
close,
them.
I love them, but up close they're really creepy.
Ooh,
Oh, jeez.
he just got a buzz cut, huh?
You're aggressive. No, be nice. Sure. You want more?